The convener of the Kur Nongrang appeals to all members through the various units and clan elders to join in for the first meeting of the Kur that is to be held at 11 a.m. on the 20th of November 2021 at TIROT Singh Memorial Hall at Pyndenumiong in eastern West KHASI Hills district of Mairang. The main item of the agenda to be discussed on the day is on the formation of the central body of Kur Nongrang that will look into the welfare and well-being of all clan members across the state.
But milarai bakandon ka meeting kur lani ka jingi kendulang jong kinongkit kam jong kur haka arpo terik mentau benai hangte hapo TIROT Singh Memorial Hall kabadon hapo ka Shillong Pyndenumiong. Nakaliang ka jongi hangne ngi kar ngi penpana bat ngi kerpat ya borok kikur kibadon halaki jong ki unit kibadon halaki jong ki Shillong sngobha banyawan hakate ka sngi nak banta banya kren ni kimat bat ki jingdon kam jong ka kur hi parok away.